Hey, what's going on? Joshua Elder here. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to give you some advice when it comes to picking a niche. A lot of you guys are out there trying to figure out what you're passionate about, and you watch video after video on YouTube or somewhere else online telling you to pick a niche that you're passionate about. Well, you have no idea. So what do you do when you have no idea? Well, you copy a niche and you copy a method that's already working in that niche. So what we're going to do is we're going to dive into my computer. I'm going to show you two different niches that you could be going into and the difference between the income that you would make within these niches, because sometimes you got to choose between what you're passionate about and not making a lot of money and just choosing something that already works so you can use that as a stepping stone to get to what you're passionate about. So we're going to dive in deep in this video. So without further ado, let's switch to my screen. So I'm here on clickbank.com, an affiliate marketplace. I'm just going to scroll down and go to the health and fitness section, and we're just going to select this product at the top. It's called Flat Belly Fix. The initial sell is $38.41, as you can see here, and it pays out 75% commissions. So what we're going to do is we're going to compare it to one of my own products. And I know this is going to sound completely biased, but stay with me here. I'm going to write out all the math. So here, the Transcend Accelerator, one of my own programs, you can actually relicense it and resell it and earn 50% commissions. It runs $2,500, so you can actually earn 50% commissions, which is $1,250 per sell. You can also earn an extra 25% on your team's performance. So let's go ahead and compare the Transcend Accelerator with Flat Belly Fix. Okay, so let's say that you want to go into the weight loss niche. This is your passion, okay? And then let's say that the home business niche is the proven method that's already been proven to work that you can actually copy. So if we were to promote something in the weight loss niche like Flat Belly Fix, as we explained, that'd be 75% commissions. We'd earn exactly $38.41 per sell, and we get a 1 to 2% conversion rate on average. Let's say we drive 100 website visitors to the landing page of Flat Belly Fix, aka the sales page. We end up getting 2 sales. That's $76. Great, right? When you finally realize that you have to send 100 visitors a day just to make $76 per day, you realize how much effort and how much work that's actually going to take. And hey, if you absolutely love what you do, money is just a byproduct of what you love to do. So if you do something primarily for the enjoyment of it, the money will just come because it'll be a byproduct of the long-term effort that you put into your business. But you may not be in a position where you can just go for your passion and you need a stepping stone to help you get there. Now, you still need to be somewhat passionate about what you're doing. So one of the things that I actually happen to enjoy doing as I learned how to build a business online and as I was promoting other products in like the weight loss niche and physical products on Amazon, what I noticed is I most loved teaching people how to build a home business. So I got into the home business niche and I had a lot of success there because I loved seeing people grow and their businesses grow. And so what I realized through that journey and through that success is that I could now teach other people how to copy that success without them having to try and figure out exactly what niche to go into. They could just simply copy my whole entire business and then deploy it in their life and their business. So that's when I came out with the HTA program, which is a proof of concept that was taken from another program that I promoted and I had a lot of success with. And then I copied it on my students and they ended up having transformational success. And so this may be the first time that you're actually seeing this program. So I pay out 50% commissions on this program. It's a $2,500 product, same 1 to 2% conversion rate. One of the misnomers is it takes more effort to sell something that's high ticket versus low ticket. No, it doesn't. If you have the right training and the right sales process in place, the right mentors, aka, then you're going to be able to make that same average 1 to 2% commission. What's really cool as well is if you include bonuses, which we've already included for you, you can get a 5% conversion rate by offering those bonuses, which of course, again, we have done for you. So if you send 100 visitors to your website, worst case scenario, you get 2 sales, that's $2,400 in commissions. And then if you invite other affiliates on board with you, then you can actually earn an extra 25% off of their efforts. So pretty cool. If you want to go into weight loss niche or another niche that you're super passionate about and your goal is purely just to do what you love, understand that you might have to sacrifice some income for a while. If you're looking to make money a little bit faster versus slower, plug into something that's already proven and use that as a stepping stone to get to what you love most. Hope you enjoyed this video. One of the things that I love most is obviously playing golf, and the home business niche is a way for me to play more golf and travel and enjoy more freedom. Regardless, go out there, take this information, and make the best educated decision that you can. If you want to learn more about my high ticket affiliate accelerator, aka the HTAA, then click the link below and check out my case study. This is Josh Elder signing off. If you got value from this video, give me a thumbs up, like this video, share this with somebody that can get some value from it, and don't forget to subscribe and tick that bell icon to be notified of all future videos that I upload when I upload them.